Indian men are the most handsome men on the planet. Oh, wow.
They are mama's boy.
Oh. Until what age? देसी लड़का
देसी लड़का हाँ विदेशी तो मिला नहीं पर देसी का बता रही हूँ.
Hello friends,
Hello, namaste. मेरा नाम इरीना
and my name is Amir.
and welcome to our vlog.
Life with a Russian wife. पहली बात दोस्तों, मैं आप सब लोगों को बहुत ही शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूं जो आप हमें प्यार दे रहे हैं, हमारे वीडियो पे कमेंट कर रहे हैं, हमें सब्सक्राइब कर रहे हैं और हमारे वीडियोस को काफ़ी अच्छे लग रहे हैं, काफ़ी पॉजिटिव हमें कमेंट्स मिलना आपकी तरफ से. तो आपको बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हम दोनों की तरफ से.
शुक्रिया, thank you, धन्यवाद. All thankings to you.
और आज हमारे वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे कि रशियन लड़कियों को इंडियन लड़के क्यों पसंद आ रहे हैं. क्योंकि काफ़ी सारे लोग पूछना चाहते हैं, काफ़ी उनके सवाल हैं कि रशियन लड़कियां इंडियन लड़की की तरफ क्यों इतना अट्रैक्ट हो रही हैं, क्यों उन्हें इंडियन लड़के पसंद हैं, क्यों वो शादी कर रही है. रशिया में भी काफ़ी अच्छे अच्छे लड़के हैं जो काफ़ी अच्छे पोजीशन पे है, काफ़ी कमाते हैं. इंडिया में ऐसी क्या ख़ास बात है? सो इरीना, इंडिया में ऐसी क्या खास बात है इंडियन लड़कों में कि आप इंडियन लड़कों से क्यों शादी करना चाहती हैं लड़कियां?
I have lots of things to tell you, and really, I'm going to share it all with you. Why do we prefer Indians rather than Russians to marry and to create family and to date? And just why do we love Indians? So, I'll tell you everything. But first, I have decided to ask Indian girls, do they like Indian boys? Do they like you? And if yes, then why? So I have questioned few of the girls. They gave us some really interesting answers. It's really tricky, you know. And after that, of course, I will tell you why do I like, or maybe I don't, Indian boys.
So stay tuned.
What do you think about Indian boys or Indian men?
इंडियन बॉयज़ दिल्ली के तो थोड़े फेक होते हैं, ज़्यादा शो ऑफ करते हैं. और गर्ल्स तो फिर भी ठीक है, पर लड़के थोड़ा चीटिंग टाइप्स होते हैं.
Or if it is desi boys, desi लड़का?
देसी लड़का हाँ विदेशी तो मिला नहीं पर देसी का बता रही हूँ. हाँ जी.
नहीं, देसी लड़का ना?
हाँ.
देसी लड़के थोड़े मतलब इमोशनल होते हैं.
हाँ.
वो अटैचमेंट होता है उनको, और वो जल्दी से किसी का दिल नहीं तोड़ते, और उनको जल्दी से अटैचमेंट हो जाता है, बट उनके साथ गड़बड़ हो जाती है.
But what do you think, Indian boys are more caring or European boys or men are more caring according to you?
इंडियन
इंडियन
देसी
देसी.
देसी
ज़्यादा
देसी
केयर करते हैं अपनी सिस्टर, मम्मी, वाइफ, नॉट गर्लफ्रेंड. हाँ गर्लफ्रेंड चीट करते हैं.
हाँ, उन्हीं के साथ ज़्यादा धोखा होता है, क्योंकि वो इमोशनल ज़्यादा होता है ना, और फैमिली टाइप ज़्यादा होते हैं. और जो वो होते हैं, मतलब उनको बस टाइम पास करो और चलो आगे.
Oh.
दिस काइंड ऑफ इंडियन बॉयज.
Okay, thank you so much.
वेलकम.
Thank you. What do you think about boys or men in India?
Okay, so if we talk about Indian men and boys, they are now at these days they are very like bold, and they are going out and doing the different activities very boldly, and they are not loyal these days.
Oh.
But yes, there are few people still, I believe there are few people who are still loyal, and they are actually good people. And I have met actually both type of people, mixed people. So some people are like that in front they show the respect to the woman, and some people are they actually show the respect to the woman, whether they are in front or they are outside.
Which you think are better boyfriends, better husbands?
Oh, so I believe that Indian husbands are better than European.
Wow. Why so?
Because after marriage they are more loyal.
And who is more caring, abroad or in India, men?
Indian men are not very into child, like they don't actually feel that that's their responsibility too. But in foreign I have seen personally some people who feel that the child is also their responsibility.
All right. Thank you so much. It was really interesting to listen to your opinion.
Thank you so much.
So tell me, what do you think about Indian boys or Indian men? Are they better husbands, better boyfriends rather than in other countries?
Well, I believe, to be very honest, Indian boys or Indian men, they are better sons.
Oh, wow.
To be very honest, boyfriend, yes, that depends upon your choice and the kind of person you come across with. But
Definitely. As per my opinion, I think they are like better sons than anything else in this world. Yeah. For kids, they are crazy about their kids. They definitely want to spoil their kids at any cost with everything if possible. So yeah, they are good father. They are good. I would say yeah, sometimes better husbands as well, better boyfriends as well. But yeah, these
And
are few things.
are there some negative points of dating Indian boyfriend?
They are mama's boy.
Oh, until what age?
There is no age limit, to be very honest.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. What do you think about Indian men? How they are better than others as a husband, as son, and what do you generally think about Indian husbands?
Okay, so whereas Indian men are concerned, of course, it's different. It's difficult to say too many good things, but yeah, the best part is that they are more family oriented. They love to live in close families. The entire they love to hang out during festivals and lots of good things as well. They take care of their parents. They don't run away from those responsibility. He's too good with that.
Okay.
I should say that.
That's really good point.
So there are some negative points especially, and those are how should I say? I mean, they don't really go to the extent of going deeper and understanding why my wife or my mother or my sister or the woman around me is behaving or feeling the way she is.
So they do not want to try to understand the feelings.
Yes, yes. It's just like, on the top. There are many people, there are many men who will still do that. But there are many, approximately I would say 90% men who really don't. That is something that they should take care about.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
What do you think about Indian boys, Indian men?
Actually, my husband best, so I won't say anything else. They are best. They are good.
Why? 1 2 points?
He's very caring. Like I'm telling specifically about my husband. He's very caring and very understanding. And that's it. That's what I want, and that's what I get.
Are there some negative points which you face in India?
Sometimes we do. Like I'm a working girl, working woman, so we face some kind of like comparison is there sometimes. So we face that also, but it's okay. Ignore them. Live it.
Okay,
That's it.
thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Of course, girls, I totally agree with you because there can be positive and negative features of any man, and it really does not matter. It can be Indians, Russians, Europeans, whoever it is, because everywhere in every country there can be these and that types of people. But still there are some features, there are some things which can be more in Indian men. So what are these features? Feature number 1, according to me, Indian men are giving so many compliments. They tell you so many beautiful things that you will melt, and you're wearing your pink glasses and you're feeling as if you're in some fairy tale. Believe me, Bollywood is playing a big role over here, right?
Right.
Of course, do not forget, boys, this is a tip for you, that every girl start loving men using her ears. It means the more compliments you tell and the more often you tell, girl will instantly fall in love with you. That is for sure. So, and yes, if to compare with Russian men, they are not that romantic, they are not that drama type like in India. That's why compliments is the number 1 thing which wins a girl's heart of Russians. So Russian girls are going for compliments, that's for sure. Okay, one more point which is also very interrelated to the first one is that Indian men are the most handsome men on the planet. Oh wow, so handsome, my darling is. No,
Thank you,
honestly, friends, I'll tell you, Indian men are looking stylish. Indian men are looking handsome and attractive. And yes, if to compare just about normal guys who are not some celebrities and all, they do look after themselves. They're dressing up well, they're styling their hair. And to be honest, Russian girls, as you already know, we mentioned before in our videos, they love to look after themselves. The same, they love when boys are looking after themselves, when they're dressing up well, when they're using perfumes, when they're styling their hair. So Indian boys have that magic feature in them. You all have that feature, because whenever you just walk to the market, you see even boys who are driving rickshaws, they are also stylish, and you just look at them and they're thinking, oh wow, really, Bollywood is here on the streets everywhere. So style in Indian boys, your look, is the another feature which Russian girls are falling for. That's why we also like to date you. Now we are moving to the next point, why Russian girls are going for Indian men so badly. So what can be that point?
No idea.
No idea, but
No.
I do have idea. Boys, especially Indian boys, are really caring and loving. If they like to date you, if they like to marry you, they will be 24 hours giving you a whole attention. They will be taking care of you. They will be so romantic with you. They will be walking, talking, calling to you.
Janu Shona, Janu, I love you so
That's
much.
that's true. But it does not mean only that, giving compliments, Janu, Manu, and all. But it means that boys are really thinking about their better halves. Does not matter whether you're dating for 1 week or whether you're dating for years and marrying as well. So caring and loving is the initial part of Indian boys. And yes, if to talk about Russians, again, they are more like, without any feelings, or else, or maybe they do not like to express their feelings. But Indians are expressive through the feelings, through the emotions, and that's why Russian girls need it. They need this love, attention, which they can get from you, from boys from India, because India is the land of sunshine, love and care.
सो इरिना, आप ये कहना चाह रहे हो कि इंडियन मैन सिर्फ अपना ही लुक्स पे ध्यान देते हैं, अपनी वाइफ या गर्लफ्रेंड को ख्याल रखते हैं, रात में
हाँ
पूछते हैं?
जी।
हाँ?
हाँ।
बस यही क्वालिटी है? ऐसे तो
नहीं।
कई रशियन बॉयज भी रखते होंगे, कई यूरोपियन बॉयज भी रखते होंगे।
नहीं, ये बस नहीं है।
ये बस नहीं है? अच्छा।
Of course not. There is one more very important thing. See, if we're talking about particularly Russian girls, then Russia was for so many years continuously in wars and wars. First World War, Civil War, Second World War. So, and there is ratio of men and women is totally different. For 4 women, there is only 1 man. And you do not know what quality of man it is. That's why boys are feeling so much free to go from here to there and to choose. This I like, okay, she looks good. This I like because she cooks good. That I like because she's good and bad. The third I like, oh, she's looking after babies, so nice. So which to choose? So they're every time confused. But if to talk about Indian men, then they are more family oriented. What do I mean after that? I do not say about dating period. I'm talking about when boy or man is already decided that, okay, this is the real girl with whom I want to tie up my life, the girl, the woman with whom I want to be. Then they will do everything in order your life with him will be like, cheese and butter.
दोस्तों, पॉइंट का ध्यान रखना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट
Right,
है।
because see, I know that Indian men are really excellent fathers, and even till now we do not have babies, but one day we will have. And when I look at Amir and he takes care of some babies or plays with babies, I know yes, I know that he will be the best father ever, because in India, when you see fathers and children are walking, playing, or just spending their time, they are really having nice connection. Fathers are not telling, oh woman, this is your child and you sit with your child. Men here are looking after their families, and not only for children. They know that woman is not just the application which can be here in the kitchen or in the bed. The woman is the person whom they have to take care of. That's why Indian men are also one of the best husbands.
दोस्तों, इतना सब कुछ पॉजिटिव कमेंट सुनने के बाद तो मैं तो कहाँ पहुँचने वाला हूँ, हवा में। मतलब इतने अच्छे कमेंट्स के भी आप फैमिली ओरिएंटेड, और हमें अपने लुक्स पे इतना ध्यान देते हैं। हाँ बिल्कुल, कौन लुक्स पे ध्यान नहीं देता? इंडियन बॉयज।
I did not say that type of things. You see, That is the minus of all boys all over the world. And I think girls, if you're watching us, you will agree with me. Boys, do not think of yourselves that you are gods. You have to first of all respect everyone, and of course respect girls, female, women, because respect no one cancelled yet.
Definitely.
Right?
True.
And if you respect, you will be respected back. And does not matter whom you're going to be with or date with, Indian, Russian, American, whoever. The respect is number one in all relations. But I do not mean just, okay, I respect you. You have to respect feelings of the girl. If she is having some troubles in expressing herself, if she cannot explain you what she wants, just be with her, support her, and do not argue. Try to sometimes to cooperate, okay? You know, girls are every time cooperating. And yes, if to talk about my husband, he does cooperate. Even sometimes he does not will to do that, but because of this main point, maybe I love him the most. Cooperation with a woman, this is number one.
So bhai log,
It's a key to
happy
the
wife,
heart.
happy wife, happy life.
That's true. And believe me, if you are like this and if you're going to improve yourself, these are our tips from our heart to your heart, then you will be number one husband, number one boyfriend, and you will be loved and cared as the best God, as the best human, as the best creature in this planet.
और इसी के साथ दोस्तों, अगर आपको हमारा आज का वीडियो पसंद आया हो, काफ़ी अच्छे ख्यालात इरीना ने आपको अच्छी टिप्स दिए, अच्छे बारे बताया कि इंडियंस क्यों पसंद करती हैं रशियन लड़कियां, तो ज़रूर जल्दी से जाइए और सब्सक्राइब बटन को प्रेस करिए और लाइक करिए और ज़रूर शेयर करिए अपने दोस्तों को, ताकि वो भी जाने कि रशियन लड़कियों को क्यों इंडियन बॉयज़ पसंद है.
Girls are girls. They love by ears, they love by heart, and mostly they love by emotions.
True.
And if you love us, share your love with us and subscribe to our channel.
बिल्कुल दोस्तों, हमें आपके सब्सक्रिप्शन की ज़रूरत है. जल्दी से हमें 1000 सब्सक्राइबर दिला दिए और हम इंशा करते हैं कि दिवाली तक हमारे पास 1000 से भी ज़्यादा सब्सक्राइबर हो. हमारा प्यार ऐसे ही हम आप लोगों से बांटते रहे और आप लोग हमसे बांटते रहे. हम इसी के लिए आपका इंतज़ार है. और इफ़ यू लाइक आवर टुडेज़ व्लॉग,
Press the like button
and subscribe to our channel. And till then,
bye bye.
bye bye.